Hi, this is Manali Sangvi from Gyan Hub. Looking at the current situation that everybody is facing in this pandemic, let's talk about what the kids and the parents are facing at home. So I'm going to tell you about, there are a lot of parents who are thinking कि हम बच्चों के साथ घर पे क्या करें, activities कैसे करवाएं. So it's very important at this stage to channelize a child's energy in the right direction. So I'm going to explain you what exactly I've received and what is there in this blue amazing folder. And this amazing kit has been sent by the Laureates Preschool. So I'm going to review this product. Wow. So this is an amazing world map pegboard which has different countries and continents, and it's going to be very easy. So you know what happens here is with puzzles, kids tend to learn more easily because again this activity is related with fun. Looking at this folder, let's see what do we have. Wow, this is something very interesting. So I'm going to show you. So this has UAE, so it's about clothing, that different countries have different clothing, and it's very important for kids to learn that. So when they are doing this world map, what happens is they will also understand that कौन सा देश कौन से कपड़े पहनता है. So Switzerland, it has Spain, and it's again in the form of the puzzle. So since I said when any activity which is related to fun helps a child to learn more and grow in a good direction again. So these are different puzzles. Coming up with the next we have, wow, this is something interesting. So they have a very cute passport which has a paper, they have different stamps. So it's very important to give a knowledge to kids that जब हम travel करते हैं तो हर एक different country का stamp लगता है. तो वो एक early knowledge बच्चों को देना is very important because soon or later they are traveling and we are traveling soon. And then what do we have next is, oh wow, so we have these flashcards which has currencies of different countries. We have country and the name, and we have different monuments also. So let's see. Okay, so it has Taj Mahal, it has Christ the Redeemer, then it has Machu Picchu. So it's very important कि हम kids को वो knowledge दें कि which there are different monuments, and it's very important कि हम वो monuments का importance भी समझाएं, and through flashcards kids के brain में एक photogenic memory start होता है build होना. So hence these flashcards are very important for kids to go through. Wow, so this is like an amazing book which has a lot of pencil grip activities, and the book says about World Explorer, and it is going around the theme. So it has a lot of activities related to the world map, which has maze, which has pencil grip activities, which has currencies, matching, and all of those things. We have these few activities sent by the school. So बच्चा constantly कुछ activity के form में अगर कुछ करेगा, so it's very important कि उनको craft material भी दिया जाए. And in the same way they've designed this very amazingly. So there are few craft activities also, which has few coloring sheets of Eiffel Tower. They have clothes, जैसे उन्होंने वो puzzles में clothes learn किया था. So this could be a revision for them where they can understand that which clothes belongs to which country again. And then they have this activity materials also कि हमें किसके साथ क्या करना है. Before anybody gets confused कि इतना सारा कुछ है, कैसे करवाना है, क्या करवाएंगे, what is the direction that we should follow. So for that, Laureates has also given a planner which has planning activities week-wise. So the best part about this activity is it's based on theme, and the name of the theme for this month is World Explorer. And all these activities, whatever I've shown you, is all based on different countries, currencies, states. So a child is learning in a proper direction, and if you want your child to go in a proper direction, here you go. Thank you, Laureates.